It is an awesome rainy day here in Waterloo, Ontario. Let me show you. And after that torrential downpour, things look kind of pretty. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Joe Lifestyle. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe to my channel. It's been about 2.5 months since we've been locked down here in southwestern Ontario. I'm getting the impression that many people have already accepted the norm of social distancing. I just got back from the grocery store and I've noticed the expressions on people's faces have changed compared to a month and a half ago. Back then, you could see people were disgruntled, they're looking around, frustrated, and now people are looking at their shoes, just waiting their turn. Remember the good old days? Group hugs, mosh pits, concerts, sporting events, theaters. I think people will have significant difficulty reintegrating back into what we would consider normal society. And speaking of which, I'm also getting the impression that some people have already forgotten how to drive. I'd be willing to bet that once we're allowed to return to work, there's going to be a significant increase in motor vehicle accidents. Some people are taking advantage of this lack of traffic and they're practicing their stunt driving skills. I don't know about the rest of the world, but here in southwestern Ontario, stunt driving charges have increased 100%. I'm likely stating what you already know. But it's dinner time and it's time for me to consider making some food. For the first time ever, I'm going to make stuffed rigatoni. I mean, how hard can it be? You don't know what rigatoni is? Well, it's pasta that looks like this. I mean, check this out. I'm going to boil these al dente and then I'm going to stuff them. So let's look at the ingredients. All right, I've got some marinara sauce, I've got some rigatoni pasta, salt and pepper, about half a cup of fresh baby spinach, half a cup of grated parmesan, 1.5 cups of grated mozzarella, some ricotta cheese, an egg, and about 3 cloves of minced garlic, about a tablespoon of crushed red chili flakes, and some lemon zest. I've got the recipe posted below. And we'll just set these babies on a rack to dry and cool. In a large bowl, we'll just mix the ingredients, put our ricotta cheese in here, throw our parmesan in there, our chopped baby spinach, garlic, chili flakes, our lemon zest. Let's not forget our egg. And of course our salt and pepper. I don't have a pipette, so I'm going to put this mixture into an old freezer bag. Just squeeze it all into one corner and then we just cut a small corner off. I think that should do. And then in a large baking dish, we'll just drizzle some olive oil. We'll just put down a layer of marinara sauce. And then we just get one of these babies and we just fill it. Just like that. And once the first layer is done, we'll just sprinkle some shredded mozzarella. And then pour some more marinara sauce over top. And just repeat the process. And then once the second layer is done, we repeat the layers. And then to top it all off, we'll just sprinkle some more parmesan. And that smells awesome already. And into a preheated oven, we'll just slide this baby right into the middle rack. Cook it uncovered for about 30-40 minutes. Alright, so it's been a little longer than 40 minutes. I put that in there at 360 degrees for about 50 minutes and then I broiled it for about another 5 minutes. Oh my goodness, it smells amazing. Ooh. And we got some bubbling action here, and there's a slight crust on top. That's what we're after. Well, let's plate this baby and take a bite. Oh my, that came out nicely. I don't want to say I impressed myself, but dang, that is good. A cheesy crust on top puts it into another dimension. Seasoned, it's got a slight kick. I'm gonna have to make that again. That was definitely worth it. I was pleasantly surprised. And remember to hit the like button. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and we'll see you in the next one.